buddy in my face. Stop being in my face. Now let's just continue. I'm playing bees with my dad right now. So I'm just getting a sprout that my dad planted. That's my dream bee at the side, gummy bee. That's the only time I'm showing you it. Now I'm just gonna do the Mondo chick. And there's my dad right next to me. I'm just in the shop. No! I'm trying to get with the frog. Frog, stop. Now, look how low it hatched. Yay! Now let's just go to the pineapple field because there's a sprout there. Do-do-do-do-do. Whoa! I landed here. Now you can just see it. No, there's a mantis and a beetle thing. Yeah, defeated them, bro. Even though my dad needs help. And he actually played on my account yesterday. And here's the snail, which is so low health. And here's the normal snail, which is really, really high health. Wait, there's a glue down here. I didn't notice. I'm going to grab it. Ashley's Adventures on Bees. Now I'm just going to go down here. Bye. I'm going to fight the ladybug now. Bye. Just saying. And I'm giving you something. There will soon be another one. Bye.